Okay, so a brief orientation of what we are doing today. We are starting here at the church because this is the way how we will welcome our visitors, especially for our government visitors from the private sectors, and of course, we want this experience nga ma-experience ko the same with you, especially Hagnaanons. And you will be seeing a surprise. I'm not gonna say what's gonna happen in a few minutes from now, but at least we will start to have our what we say, the patunog tradition. Yes, and if you are aware of that, especially in our Catholic Church, that we have a patunog with Saint Michael the Archangel. So again, the mayor is very happy my experience with it to everybody, because again, this is how the way we treat and welcome our visitors. And of course, we are also special, so we want this day special, ma-feel po ninyo nga mo ang special and how we welcome our visitors. So we will start with the patunog first with the Saint Michael, and then right after that we will go out here and we will see the next surprise. Okay, so if we are ready, I am ready, Ma'am Gina ready, and Father also ready. Maybe we can forward to the altar. Sige sir.
Let's go!
So, pwede lang tayo forward. Natin na si Arson. Sir, good morning. Good morning. Yes, it's a project.
Father Dondo, Father Jose Conrado Estafia. Presently, I am the parish administrator of the parish of Hagna, because the parish priest is on leave or sick leave. So, ako muna for now. I have two other opinion priests, Father Pitoy and Father King. So there are three of us in this parish. So the parish priest, Father J, is presently on leave due to health reasons. So I'm now the one handling the parish, acting like a parish priest. It's called parish administrator. I all have the function of a parish priest, but I don't have the stability, because the bishop can remove me anytime. Anyway, next year, 2025, will be the end of the term of the parish priest. So I don't know if I'll finish his term or he will come back. So that, I don't know. So we will see. So you are here later. You have this patunog. Patunog. The patunog, I don't know how we call it in English. It's a ritual where our patron saint, Saint Michael Archangel. There's a very beautiful painting here, and in the future we will capture that painting. Yes, it's a painting painted by Ray Francia from the 1920s, 1930s, 20s. All the paintings on the ceiling. That's 1920s, 1930s. These are original paintings, but this one, because it was destroyed, the dome, it was repainted, the same painting, but restored by a local artist, Salio Ortiz, who is actually a professional painter, and he graduated from Santo Tomas in Manila. He was about to be sent to Madrid, but he went home and spent his life here in Hagna. So he repainted this one, and as I listened to him, Saint Lucas, the four evangelists are his original. This one, the four evangelists, original Salio. And you can really distinguish which is Salio's painting or which is Francis' painting, because Salio's painting is more brilliant because of his study in Santo Tomas. His professor, the way he paints is more brilliant, yeah, bright. But Francia is more muted. Look at the, although it's 1920s, maybe it's fading already. That's 1920s, but still you can distinguish that the style of Francia is muted colors, it's hidden colors, which is also very beautiful. And one day, next time, we tried it already. That we, like a lithography, we put it in a mug. The resurrection painting at the back. The Puerlo was destroyed during the earthquake, and it was again repainted and restored by Sanlio. Some are his original, but most of them are still Francia's painting. But he tried to restore the painting of Francia. Cebuano. He painted he is the Michelangelo in the south, the Visayas. He painted Dawis, Loon, this one Hagna, is Cebuano, Francia, very Cebuano. And I really want to trace the family of Francia, because as I heard, Francia has many wives. I don't know how will we trace this family. He is a mestizo, a Spanish mestizo. He has many wives and artists. I don't know. We don't know anymore. He has many mistresses. He has mistresses. And I have a cousin who is Archbishop Ausa. He's my cousin. He's the Papal Nuncio to Madrid, to Spain. One time he visited me here, I think few months. When he saw that painting, there, Santos Justo. Masteres. Justo y Pastor Martires. Saint Justo and Pastor Martyrs. That's the patron saint of a town near Madrid. And he was surprised. Oh, it's here. So he took a picture. I will send this to the bishop of that place. That's original Francia. And it's really good to trace history. Who is the Spanish priest who commissioned that painting? Maybe he comes from that place. It's good also to trace this history. We will find some records there in the archive. We have archives. Hopefully, because Filipinos, we don't really keep documents. We throw them away. We burn them. But I'm really planning. We're really planning in collaboration with the local government unit to preserve this one, conserve this one. So maybe in the future, I will contact Santo Tomas, UST, so that we can have a collaboration with the College of Fine Arts in UST para ma-preserve ito. And I have a plan, we have a plan, and I don't know if you're aware that one from the sacristy to Medalla, the old building Medalla has a tunnel. There's a tunnel there. So we will have an X-ray from the mines and geoscience. It's a tunnel.
Elementary Medalla o Megapal.
They condemn it. But I will condemn it. There's a tunnel there. And I will be the first one to go there. Because if there's gold, I will tell you. Anyway, we will contact the Mines and Geological Bureau in the country. They have an X-ray. They can check what's inside, below, underneath. They have a machine.
No snake. Snake.
Snake. Yeah. Somebody told me that the chief police told me that we will have a snake with a camera. Maybe you can join. The snake, you can join.
You will go ahead.
Go ahead.
You will be the first one.
So, kami na mauna para pag may gold, if there's gold, so amin na. we will try it because if we will rediscover that one, I think in the whole country, it's the only church with a tunnel, at least that rediscovered tunnel. There were some stories that people went there, I mean 2 people went through the tunnel. There's an old cabinet with old vestments of the priest. I don't know, we will check, And If you go there, there's an echo, meaning there's a crypta underneath, near the main door. They try, when you pass by, they try to speak this, and there's an echo, meaning there's an underground.
Yes.
Because, as I recall, I was here 2005 as a young priest, there's a manhole somewhere there. And now there's no more manhole, it's all tiles. So again, the gold is still there also. And this one, the paintings are a treasure to Hagna. In Europe, people are selling paintings, some plates, this lithography, mugs, t-shirts, like that one, San Miguel Arcangel, the t-shirt, we will sell it, then for the benefit of our pastoral ministry, for the poor. So we will sell these paintings. Hagna will be rich. The parish won't ask any more donation. Because of the painting. It's your treasure, sleeping treasure. Sleeping treasure. We will sell that in the future, so that the parish and the town will be rich, and the parish priest also. Okay, you own that. That's from the town. So welcome to your parish. You belong to this parish, your hometown. So welcome to Hagna, and we will have our patulog. But before that, we will pray the prayer to Saint Michael.
Hala, oh, this is so nice.
Bangkok, espada, penagawayu. Hari kamalan, bawa ko sa mutukangan. Pagtukan sa mong ginarian, among ikinanglan. Sipari ka doon.
This is St. Michael.
Yawa, kay makasara. Ako si Don Carlos, pangulo sa Ramos. Bisan pila pa ko katos, ko din ko kamupugan. San Miguel ako ngalan. Aris di mo ang kalimutan. Kung dili ka mudagan, para na siya magkuwatan. Di na bisog, isoy makampo. Di makalito. Dili ako di mo. Makawa panulay, kay ikaw akong kaaway. Kung dili ka mulkay, tugo kita magtagay. Senyor San Miguel, tabangi ako. Kaya ako magitsapan, ipiyat sa urusan. Ayaw, kukulang ka sa toon mga kontra. Ako rin magkikaway kinilo. Ani kamalan, andi ako sa mga bilangan. Kaya ako sa ako mga ginatuman. Dili ang bata, saka sa mga bilang. Maoy yung karwaton. Kapag espada, mga kawayo.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.